Well, Christine, there are some more amendments that have been added to this ordinance. And Seattle's been in a bit of a gray area. Current state law makes public drug use a gross misdemeanor, but with no city law in place, it's leaving prosecutions in limbo.
This summer, City Council rejected an ordinance that matched the state's law on prosecuting public drug use and possession. So right now, the city attorney doesn't have power to prosecute, and these cases are no longer in the hands of the county prosecutor's office. Now, amendments have been added to the proposed ordinance passed by the Public Safety Committee. That includes making diversion the main approach before an arrest, guidance to SPD on what action they can take when encountering someone using drugs in public, and having the department collect data on race of those arrested, diverted, or booked in jail. Councilmember Lisa Herbold sponsored the ordinance.
Unlike the previous version of the bill, when we say diversion is the preferred approach in the city of Seattle, this includes what is called pre-arrest diversion, that it will be used for many, that this bill directs officers to use their discretion to not choose to arrest because they are not meeting the definition in the bill of committing harm to others.
But those opposed say prosecuting the public drug use shouldn't be made law until there's proof more funding is being awarded for drug diversion programs. The nonprofit We Deliver Care, for example, reported they can regularly get people into detox, but often there's nowhere for the person to go afterwards. The lack of those programs and resources is the reason Councilmember Teresa Mosqueda opposes the ordinance.
But right now, we're making policy decisions without knowing what the infrastructure for alternative pre-arrest diversions will look like. That doesn't seem very wise when we already know that the outcome will be more people being arrested, more people who are Black and brown, more people who are living unsheltered, and what the folks who are consuming outside need is access to services.
If passed, Mayor Bruce Harrell plans to issue an executive order to help SPD interpret how officers should react when they encounter someone using drugs in public.
And after this vote, there will be more requests for funding for drug diversion programs. The vote is expected this afternoon, but if City Council decides they need more time to review, it could get pushed until next week. Reporting live in Seattle this morning, Drew Andre, King 5 News.